Dear students, in this video we are going to solve a problem on Rayleigh Ritz approach. A simply supported beam of length L is equal to 1 meter is subjected to a uniformly distributed load of magnitude W is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter. Calculate the deflection at the center of the beam using Rayleigh Ritz method and compare with the exact solution. Take cross section of the beam as 10 cross 10 millimeter. Young's modulus E is equal to 2 into 10 power 5 Newton per millimeter square. First we can note down the data given in the problem. The first data is the length of the beam L is equal to 1 meter. Magnitude of the uniformly distributed load is given in the problem as small w is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter, that is 10 into 10 power 3 Newton per meter. Cross section of the beam is given as 10 cross 10 millimeter square, that is 0.01 meter into 0.01 meter. From this data we can calculate the area moment of inertia of the beam as BH cube by 12. The value is 8.3333 into 10 power minus 10 meter power 4. Young's modulus value E is given as 2 into 10 power 5 Newton per millimeter square, that is 2 10 power 11 Newton per meter square. Okay. So in the given problem, a simply supported beam is loaded with a uniformly distributed load. It is asked to calculate the deflection at the center of the beam. Okay. Using Rayleigh Ritz method, for the similar conditions of the problem, we have derived the solution for the displacement at the midspan of a simply supported beam when it is subjected to UDL. I have mentioned the link for that lecture video in the description. So the Rayleigh Ritz solution for the deflection of a simply supported beam loaded with UDL when polynomial function has been used as the trial function. Y at x is equal to L by 2 is W L power 4 divided by 96 EI. So in the solution already derive பண்ணி ஒரு lecture video ல கொடுத்திருக்கு. The link for that video has been mentioned in the description. So by substituting the given values we can calculate the deflection at the midspan as 625 millimeter. We know the standard formula for a given case, that is the standard formula for calculating the deflection of a simply supported beam when it is subjected to UDL is 5 by 384 WL power 4 divided by EI. By substituting the known values, we can calculate the midspan deflection as 781.3 millimeter. One more lecture video has been posted in my YouTube channel for calculating the midspan deflection of a simply supported beam when it is subjected to UDL while using trigonometric function as the trial function. Y at x is equal to L by 2 is equal to 4W L power 4 divided by EI pi power 5. By substituting the known values, we can get the midspan deflection as 784.3 millimeter. இந்த அப்ரோச்சுக்குள்ள வீடியோவும் யூடியூப் சேனல்ல இருக்கு, இதுக்குள்ள லிங்கும் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்கேன். Okay. So by comparing the results of the three cases, it is obvious that the solution obtained by Rayleigh Ritz approach when using trigonometric function as trial function is closest to the exact solution. Okay.